Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to put your Discord on Roblox. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, you have to go on new tab, and here you will search Roblox, and then you have to go with the second link. You have to install this extension into your Google Chrome. Just simply you have to go on with this link and install it on your Chrome. Once it will be installed, then this extension will be show over here. And now you have to go on your Roblox. Just simply you have to reload your page, and your Roblox extension will be show over here. Just click on it. Once we reach to this page, we have to go on Discord, and here we will copy our profile link, and then we will go back to Roblox settings, and here we will paste it. So once you paste this link to Roblox, and then you have to hit on save, and your Discord ID will be show over your Roblox profile. So that's it guys. You can put your Discord on Roblox by follow these simple steps. This is how you can put your Discord on Roblox. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.